This is able to happen because of a concept called resonance, in which we're able to balance the sharing of information with the holding of information.
It is the thing that we live in and the thing that lives inside each and every one of us. It is the ability to empathize and or to destroy, to connect and to disconnect. Ever since the creation of the universe, whether that be the Big Bang Theory or God, something created us and...
Break, heart, I prithee, break!
All people God, but only knew God's eyes.
I cannot know. I know. I
The sun shines, the river flows, the birds fly, the bees sing, the fish swim, the cow moves, the chickens bark, the eggs hatch, the life starts again, and again, and again.
Give him shit!
Time class. There's one nail by strength drives out another.
Beyond all limit of what else in the world would love.
Shall I compare these to a summer's day?
Is this her fault or mine?
Shall I
Those
compare
things do shake the darling buds
horses on
day.
train? Compare these to a summer's day?
Thou art more lovely and more temperate.
I like more love and more temperate.
I will say I will take that word.
Thou didst know how many fathoms deep I am low. So long as men can breathe and eyes can see. So long as men can breathe and eyes can see. So long lives this, and this gives life to me. I would do this all again for you.